Want this watermark in your edit? First, duplicate your clip and make sure it's muted. Then, apply the effect called flip-flop. Next, create a text layer with your name or watermark and adjust it until you're happy with how it looks. Now, go to the Watermark mat and set it to the text layer. After that, pre-compose your text and the duplicated clip. Add the effects drop shadow and deep glow. Now copy my settings. For deep glow, set the radius to 300 and exposure to 0.25. For drop shadow, set opacity to 100 and distance and softness to 10 and 20 respectively. Finally, pre-compose everything and you're done. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials like this.